Hello guys, welcome back to Definite Solutions. Today we are going to show you how to change computer name in Windows 10. So without further delay, let's get started. To do that, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Then go to System. Now click on About, located at the bottom left corner. Then click on Rename this PC. Now put the name, then click on Next. Remember, don't give any space in the username. Now you need to restart your PC to change the name. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.